Sounds like we're prepping for some trouble next week. Bo Koltnow is joining us with what you need to know. Bo?
Rob, from Hurricane Irene to Tropical Storm Lee to Snowtober. Major storms are becoming routine around here, so you need a plan to be prepared. This is what a hurricane looks like. And thanks to the Vinci Science Center's Hurricane Simulator, this is what one feels like. Right now, the winds feel like I'm in a Category 1 hurricane, about 78 miles an hour. Winds from Hurricane Sandy have already registered at 100 miles per hour.
Tuesday evening.
And even though Sandy's gusts aren't expected to be that strong in the Lehigh Valley,
This is the County Emergency Operations Center.
Lehigh County Emergency Service Director Tom Nervine is gearing up for whatever Mother Nature may dish out.
We're coordinating activities with all the emergency services,
Which includes setting up shelters, checking generators, and, especially after Hurricane Irene and Tropical Lee, forecasting the needs of areas that flood.
If it floods an empty field, it doesn't mean anything. If it floods the waste treatment plant somewhere, that's a real problem.
Residents are prepping to prevent problems, too, from purchasing extra propane to stocking up on water.
Some pump, some batteries, looking for some flashlights.
I have canned goods at home, you know, and as long as we have water and propane, heaters,
You'll be okay.
we'll be okay.
However, the one thing this Allentown Home Depot didn't have at the time we were there, generators. They sold out Thursday night.
It seems like folks want to be much more prepared this year.
Emergency officials recommend you have supplies for at least 72 hours, which include canned food and water, extra medication, having your own emergency plan, and informed. You know, as Ed was saying, last year's storms knocked out power for over a week, so people have to be prepared for that. Now, Home Depot did say they do expect more generators to come in soon, but again, everyone, Rob, is stressing, be prepared.
Good advice. I'll be checking my generator.
Good.
Thank you, Bo.